Let's find the center and radius of the following circle. Notice that we're given the standard form of the circle. As a reminder, that is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. To find the center, we look at what's beside x and y. In this case, we have -1. The -1 is coming from the formula for the circle. So h in this case is +1. And look at what's beside y. We have a +2 beside y. So you can think of that as y minus -2. So the k value is actually -2. Notice to get the center, we're just looking at the opposite numbers that we see inside the parentheses. We see -1, +2. So the center is the opposite, +1, -2. And then the radius is simply going to be the square root of the constant that we see on the far right. Notice that this number is r squared. So if we take the square root of that, we get the radius is 4. Then plotting this on the graph, we have 1, -2 as the center. And then to get 4 other points, we can just go up, down, left, right, 4 units. Play connected dots. And then we can label these points. This is 1, 2. We have 5, -2, 1, -6, and -3, -2. And then the center was 1, -2. In this example, let's find the center and radius. The center, notice there's no number beside the x, so that means the h coordinate is 0. And then looking at the number that's beside the y, we see -4. We want to take the opposite of that to get +4. And then the radius is the square root of the constant. The square root of 9 means the radius is 3. Graphing this, we'll plot 0, 4, and then go up, down, left, right 3 units. Connect the dots with the circle. So we have 0, 7, 3, 4, 0, 1, -3, 4, and then the center 0, 4. In this example, notice that there's no number beside x or y, so we have the center at the origin. The radius is the square root of the constant. The square root of 1 is 1. So we have this small unit circle centered at the origin. We want to label those 4 points. We have 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, -1, and -1, 0, with the center at the origin.